Hi guys, welcome to this short video about what you can do when such an LED strip light doesn't do what you were programming anymore. Usually you set it on a timer and you expect it to turn on and turn off at a specific time, and what you can do when it doesn't do that anymore. Of course, probably the easiest way is to plug in, plug out, and make sure that it's connected again. This is a specific brand, of course, but I have checked in the internet and it looks like they are pretty much the same. All these lights, or most of these lights, they come actually from same manufacturer. They have same components, same app. It just uses different brand names. So I think it will work in a similar way with also other brand names. So yeah, of course, yeah, plug in, plug out, unplug and replug would be probably the easiest way. Make sure it's connecting again, but sometimes you have an installation where you cannot access the plug easily, like also in my case. I have it attached to the ceiling, even outside. This is just quick and dirty, because I'm not expecting to stay forever here. I just put it here, but I would need a ladder to climb up there, and so I didn't want to unplug and replug. And what I did, I'm going to show you here. This is my Android phone, so I'm going to the app here. That's the app. Hope you can see that LED strip light. It's like this, and here I have my device. And what I did, I turned on and off here manually couple of times. You have to make sure that it's still connected. When it's not connecting anymore, you definitely have to unplug and replug. But it's still, if it's still connected and actually working, just not doing the timer which you want, then I highly recommend to do this procedure. Turn on, turn off couple of times, so you can see it's still reacting on your commands. And then go here to next screen. You have to click here on this LED strip. You can see I was clicking here. Yes, now, and then you have to click on this clock here, which is the timer. And then I disabled and enabled all these specific timers, one after each other. And that's actually it. And I checked on the next day and it was working again. So it just needed some kind of reactivation and no total reset. There's a total reset button which you can use on the device, and for me, actually, I think it's overkill. It's too much. It's not needed. And definitely for me it worked, and I hope it will work for you too. If you have any questions or comments or easier solutions, just let me know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.